Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is me Aditi, and if you're new here then welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to create this beautiful makeup look right here using all the new products that I bought from Nykaa, and all those products I haven't used even once, so this is going to be my first impression about these products. And I actually like each and everything. I feel like the look itself is looking so pretty, and I like how this look has turned out. So yeah, if you guys want to know that how I achieve this look and what are the products that I use to achieve this look, then please continue watching. But before that, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel to watch more such content, and also hit that notification bell right next to the subscribe button so that you guys gets notified every single time I upload a video. And yeah, with that, let's get started. Alright, so let's begin with the skin prep. I have already moisturized my skin, and then I'm gonna use this Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect primer because I don't have anything like new in primer. So I'm just gonna use this, and I'm gonna apply this wherever I have pores to kind of blur those out. So this primer does give you that mattifying effect as well, so you can apply this all over your face as well if you want that matte finish. I'm just gonna apply this on my T-zone especially, and around my nose because that's where I have bigger pores. So my skin is now primed, and for foundation I'm taking this Color Bar 24 Hour Weightless Liquid Foundation. I'm in the shade FC 4.1, so this comes with a pump which is amazing. So I'm just gonna take out like one or like two pump maybe. And yeah, this is not so thick and not so thin as well, but yeah, a little bit thick than I usually prefer my foundations to be. But let's see how will this perform, because they claim that this is a hydrating foundation best for normal to dry skin, and I have dry skin. So let's try this out. I'm just dotting this on my face first, and then I'll just start blending it out. So this is giving me like really sheer coverage, but they say that this is a buildable full coverage foundation. So I'm just gonna build it up, and then we'll see the finish. But the foundation feels really lightweight on the skin, and this does give that shine and that glow, which is really nice. So yeah, this is a hydrating foundation, and I can see that clearly. I am actually really liking the finish of this foundation. And I personally prefer foundations which are like buildable, because then you can use those foundations for your everyday purpose as well. Just take very little amount of that and apply that, and you can use the same foundation for your party makeup as well. Just build it up, and you will get that full coverage look. So that is amazing. So my foundation is completely blended now. Now I'm taking this LA Gold Pro Conceal HD High Definition Concealer. I know this is the old one, so I'm just using this to cancel out the darkness. I don't apply the brightening concealer directly. So for that, I'm just applying this, and then I have the another concealer, for that highlighting purpose. So I'm just using this to cancel out the darkness. Again, using the beauty blender to blend it out. So the next concealer that I'm going to use to highlight, or to brighten up my face, I'm using this liquid concealer from Swiss Beauty, and this is in the shade 05 Medium Moe. So I have heard so many good things about this concealer, and this retails for only 199 rupees. So if this works, this is like a really like a big steal for me, because for 199 rupees you're getting a concealer that is amazing. So let's see. The consistency and everything feels really nice. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit at first, and I'm just gonna apply wherever I want that brightness on my face. This feels like quite thin. It's not like one of those really thick concealer. I'll just start blending it out. Just look up and blend it, and then I just like to take my concealer right up here. So this will give me that really lifted face. And this concealer is like really beautiful. This is definitely not full coverage, as I can see that, but the finish is really nice. Now to set everything in place, I'm taking this Lakme 925 Flawless Matte Complexion Compact Powder, and this is in the shade Melon Matte. So I don't have any new compact powder right now, so I'm just gonna use the old one, which I absolutely love. I'm just gonna take the powder on my beauty blender and set my under eyes first, because that's the area which tends to crease very quickly. So I like to set my concealer first and then I set the rest of my face. And you can see how instantly this mattifies your skin, but this isn't like really drying, which is amazing. Like this gives a really beautiful matte finish but not drying. I am a dry skin person and I use this so much, so you can understand that, right? This gives that beautiful matte finish but not dry up your skin. So after setting my face, I'm actually loving the foundation, because that is the base, right? And it's looking really beautiful. So I am actually really liking it. They say that this is a 24-hour foundation, so let's see. But so far this is looking so beautiful and so natural. So now to add the depth and that dimension and warmth back to my face, I'm using this Sugar Cosmetics Contour de Force face palette, and this is in the shade 01 Subtle Summit. So this is a really beautiful palette, you guys. You can see you've got one bronzer, one highlight, and one blush. This is so beautiful, and they've got like a mirror as well. So I'm gonna use this bronzer right here to bronze up my face. Sugar products are like always really pigmented, so I'm just gonna be like really careful, just taking a little bit of this and then dusting off the excess. And let's see. Yeah, you can see the pigment, right? I've just took very little amount of this, and still this is giving me like really beautiful pigment and finish. Really nice. Yeah, Sugar is a really nice and affordable brand. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of this here as well. This is a beautiful shade, I feel. For medium to fair skin girls, this is a beautiful bronzer shade. But if you are dusky or deep, I don't think this will show on your face. But I think they have got two or like three variant in this palette. So definitely they have covered, I think, each and every one of us. So you are definitely going to get your shade. You know, I love blending so much that I just keep on blending my products for like so long. I feel the more you blend, the better the finish is. So I just blend everything till I'm happy with the finish. Now I'm just gonna apply blush. We have the Calabar, which is a beautiful shade. I think I'm gonna apply this one today because this looks so so yummy, like so beautiful. So I think I'm gonna apply this one today. So this is in the shade 03 Flushed Satins. This blush is not like insanely pigmented, which is good because if you are a beginner and you don't know, how to apply blush and all of these things, if you directly apply something which is super pigmented, you can end up looking like a clown, especially with blushes. So, with for a beginner, these kind of blushes are really nice because you can obviously build it up. And this is giving such a beautiful finish. You don't need to apply like this much of blush if you don't like blush that much. I personally really like it, so I always like go overboard with my blushes. That is like, I just love it, so I apply little too much, but you can definitely skip that. And I like to, connect my blush, like to my nose and then just take it up till here. Then for highlighter, I'm again using this Sugar palette and I'm gonna use this highlighter, which is a beautiful shade. So I'm just gonna use this brush, just taking it and make sure that you dust it off and then apply it. Beautiful, like wow, so pretty. I think few months back I was not a highlighter person. I used to be like, no, yeah, it really emphasizes my texture and everything, but I think now I just cannot do without highlighter. I mean, I just, the moment I apply highlighter, I feel, yeah, now my makeup is complete. This is a beautiful, beautiful shade. I like to just take it like, here as well. So, when you smile, this just starts shining, and that is so pretty. And this is so, finely milled that this isn't emphasizing the texture or anything. Now I'll just quickly do my brows and then we'll move on to our eyeshadow. Alright, so for eyeshadow, I'm taking this Nikake eyeshadow palette in the shade Prison Apple. So this is a really beautiful palette. Just by the look of it, this looks so cute and so beautiful, but I haven't applied this on my eyes, so I don't know how this is going to perform, so we'll see that. But I have my full review on the another palette, which is the Autumn Spice. So if you guys haven't checked that out, make sure that to check that out. I'm just gonna link it for you guys. So today I'm gonna use this palette, and this also looks so pretty. Let me swatch few shades so that you guys can see that the pigment and everything. I am just gonna take very little amount of this because this seemed to be like really pigmented, so I don't want that patchiness on my eyes. I'm just gonna apply this right here on my crease. damn, the pigment is top notch. I mean, wow, this is really pigmented. And you saw that, right? I just dipped my brush once, and this is the pigment, you guys. So pretty. Just trying to blend it out to give it like more softer look. And I'm gonna take this shade right here. This feels like a mixture of, you know, like pink and purple, little bit of hint of like brown as well. So just taking this on a smaller blending brush, dusting off the excess, and then I'm gonna apply this just on the outer corner first, right. Need to say anything about this one because this is like everyone's favorite, so you know that this is an amazing mascara. Alright, so I'm quickly gonna do my other eye and be right back. Both my eyes are done now and these are looking so pretty and beautiful. I absolutely loved the palette and everything. You know, I have used I think 3 or 4 shades from the palette and that worked beautiful. Like, I don't wear these kind of shades on my eyes, but trust me, this is looking so pretty, and especially the shimmer. that is like cherry on the cake, beautiful. So I definitely recommend you guys to check these Nicka K eyeshadow palettes out, because these are like really affordable and good quality, and that's what we want. Something which fits into our budget and also should be of good quality, not cheap, right? And these are not at all cheap quality products. Definitely worth trying. So now it's time for lips, and for that I have three options, and all of these are from Lakme. Wow, like strangely all of these are from Lakme. This one is the Lakme Absolute Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade 05 Red Smoke. This is a beautiful, you know, burnt red kind of a shade, which I think will not go with this look because my eyes are quite bold. So I would wear something which is nude. Anyway, I love nudes so much, so I always end up applying nudes. So I have two nudes options as well, and both are from the Lakme Forever Matte collection, and the one is 19 Nude Twist and the other one is 08 Nude Dreams. So I think I'm gonna apply this one. This is the 19 Nude Twist, a beautiful nude shade. So before that, I'm just gonna line my lips and then apply this shade. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look, and I really like how this look has turned out. Everything worked amazingly with each other, and the foundation, I am actually in love with the foundation. I have applied this just once and I know I'm gonna use this foundation so much. I can see myself using this in future because this is a hydrating foundation, and I am actually liking the finish of this foundation so much. Everything, like literally each and everything, I like everything. The blushes, you know, eyeshadow, lipstick, highlighter, everything worked so beautifully for me, and I'm so happy. So that's all what I have for you guys today. So I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and loved the look as well. I actually like everything about this look. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, then don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel for more such content, and I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, bye bye.